Good morning, ma'am. My chosen topic is The White Horse of Ali by Miguel Alvarez Enriquez. So, Miguel Alvarez Enriquez was born on the year of 1925. He is the Filipino by birth and he started writing at the age of 20. He is a novelist and a story writer and a playwright. Among the among his famous literary works are Blood on the Moon, A Tale of the Two Houses, Kachile Kudarat of of Sultan Mindanao or Kachile Coralia, and Labaw Dunggon. All of these short stories won Palangka Award. His works is novels The Devil Flower, House of Image, Two Liberation Plays, 4th of July, Twice Told, and a short story is The White Horse of Ali, A Tale of Two Houses, Maria Clara, Death of a House, and Other Maria Clara. And place is Lamang, Labaw Dunggun, and Bantugan. The summary of the story. The story started that Ali, the protagonist, moved along the crowd which was celebrating by 4th of July celebration. They were expecting a lot of people in the event because they planned a mass assassination in the town. So the story then went on concentrating on the action and what the characters are thinking before their planned killing. Ali was thinking about his Hauri and the past memories of their family. His father was accused of killing a man that he did not kill. Ali and Omar's father was Haji back then because he attended the Mika. So the Americans wanted him to submit to the judgment and Americans. The story continued to his the life of Omar and Ali as a merchant, and they sold their houses, their boats and fishing nets and even their mother pearls. So this story is refers the Moro man or Moro people, no, which is killed by American, which is the father of our characters now, which is Ali. So Ali is the main protagonist, and the Omar and his brother, which is who encouraged him to kill people or assassination for the how for the for the bring the pride of his family or his bring the Hajis back of their family. Then they worked as a Lim Ching, which was a Chinese merchant. They were the they they were then robbed the men with guns and clubs. They then went back to the sea and stayed there for a long time after they consumed their stocks of food and water. Omar began to thinking of killing and dying. By killing, we can wash our shame away, and said Omar, while staring in the space. The story then went on the moving up to the parade. Ali saw a girl which is resembled of his friend that he rode within the carousel. After the confirming that the girl he is at looking at is a really Fermina, his brother Omar then went to Berserk and unsheathed his sword and killing people. Omar then went to kill Fermina, but Ali protected her and killed his brother Omar. So the summary. So at we're done at the summary. So this is our character, which is Ali, a Moro who plans to kill the people celebrating a holiday. Then Omar, the older brother of Ali, who dedicate him on what to do in every aspect of his life. And next is Imam, the village priest who tried to dissuade the two brothers. He explained to them that their prophets did not teach to kill people. Then Lucy, the girl who lived in the reservation area where the Americans live. And Permina, a beautiful barmaid with mole near her mouth, Ali likes her so much, but the woman doesn't like him because of his impertinent manner towards her. The things happens the story on July 4 in the town of which a parade of people, Amoro village in Zamboanga during the America occupation. So it's celebrating a Filipino and America Friendship Day. And since the author was born 1925, the current situation in the time was influenced by his work. So, the exposition of the story is Ali and Omar are the town are at the town where there are many people celebrating the American and People Friendship Day. And Ali is watching the parade while waiting for his brother because they will do an assassination at that time. So at just here at the summary, so they were waiting for the parade as well do as the assassination for the people and killing people and so on. So, next. Yeah. Next, the rising action. So he saw the plot with a girl who he thought as a Fermina. So Ali was Ali was waiting. So he saw the girl that had a mole near to her mouth, and it he was thought it was Fermina, the barmaid, the beautiful barmaid that she's infatuated as his a little. Then he went near to the plot and assisted the girl to go down to the ground and found out that the Fermina when he saw is the little black mole on the corner of the girl's mouth. It's the climax of the story. So he was about to hold her completely. Omar came, but to his surprise, he was drunk and tipsy, and he realized that Omar had been drinking tuba, and Omar was about to kill Fermina. So this is the climax of the story, which is Omar is being drunk and tipsy, and he planned to assassinate the people, and especially for the Fermina, which is the one who like her brother, and Fermina is the one who also Fermina is the one of the people who also want to kill Omar. Next. Following action. Ali killed his brother despite their plans to gain the white horses for him and protected the Fermina. So at this point from the summary of the story, so Omar wants to kill Fermina, but Ali is protecting Fermina, and then Ali suddenly Omar went tipsy and his plan to kill and assassination of people, and he saw the Fermina, which is the beautiful barmaid, and Alice watching the Fermina, and suddenly the Omar wants to kill him, but instead of killing of Fermina, Ali killed his brother, unfortunately. Then, conclusion of the story. After the incident, many speculation were made of what happened. Some said Ali became insane, that is why he killed his brother, and some said he had always hated his brother. But the thing is, Ali didn't want to hit his white horse anymore. He got arrested by the authorities, and his fate remains ambiguous. Like the story, Ali didn't want to kill, but the fear he had for his brother while he was growing urged him to the killing, and also because his brother taught him that killing will be their way to wash away their shame and gain the respect for their father who had died in the hands of the American without any reason. The symbolism of the story, the eponymous white horse comes from the Moro legend, which explains that Moro should kill the someone and be killed in the process of Allah, which is the religious which is the relig which the Moro is Allah, their God. And next, and Allah shall send for a white horse to retrieve his soul and bring it to the paradise where the thousand of houri or women are waiting for him. So that's all. Thank you.